Hi, today I'm going to go over the comments and the Hello World program we've made in our last video. So first, a single line comment is made with two slashes. A multi-line comment is made with a slash and an asterisk. And then the XML comment is made with three slashes, and it is used to summarize function, and all comments are ignored by the compiler and can comment out code. Now for the preprocessor directive, we've included the IO stream, and you can think of it as including a collection of data, so you can use it inside of your projects. And here we have C-string, a collection, and here is actually a file if you've created. So the header one file is actually contains data that we can include into our program and use. And then here we have using namespace std. Std is a namespace. Since we're using the namespace std, we don't have to write down std and then scope operator and then cout, and we don't have to write std scope operator in the end line. You can just write down cout and inline. And here we have the return statement. It returns 0. You can return any number, but we're going to return 0. Let's run this program. Here you can see hello world and hello world again. This is it for this video, and thank you for watching.